I am ready to change. This is the Ramadan. I'm going to stop my bad habits. I'll read the Qur'an every day. I won't miss a single prayer. I'll become the best Muslim this Ramadan. How many times have we said something like this to ourselves at the start of Ramadan? That desire is beautiful. That intention is sincere. It shows that our hearts are alive. But Ramadan teaches us something gentle and powerful. Growth in the Quranic sense is not rushed. It is nurtured. The Quran was not revealed in a single night to the believers. It was revealed over 23 years. And Allah reminds us, and it is a Quran which we have divided so that you might recite it to the people over a prolonged period. And we have sent it down gradually. There is mercy in that gradual revelation. Because hearts grow slowly, faith deepens gently, transformation unfolds step by step. Aisha radiallahu anha said, if the first thing to be revealed had been, do not drink alcohol, they would have said, we will never stop drinking alcohol. Allah nurtured a generation. The Qur'an walked them forward gradually, from the days of Jahiliyyah to becoming the best nation. From bearing daughters out of ignorance to being promised paradise for raising daughters with righteousness. From division and injustice to unity and leadership. It took years for hearts to soften. It took 21 years for Khalid ibn Walid, Amr ibn al-As, and Ikrimah ibn Abi Jahl to finally submit. Their journeys were long, but when their hearts finally submitted with the Qur'an, they became the best ummah. Ramadan reminds us that change is a journey. We live in an age of instant results, but Allah's way in creation is gradual growth. Real transformation is built quietly, day after day. Even a small seed can spend weeks quietly hidden beneath the soil, patiently absorbing water and gathering strength before it finally pushes through the earth and reaches towards the light. So perhaps this Ramadan is not about changing everything at once. Perhaps it is about choosing one thing, one habit to build, one sin to leave, one sunnah to revive, one portion of the Qur'an to reflect deeply, and then carrying that one thing beyond Ramadan. Those who reach excellence, whether scholars, athletes or leaders, rarely do so overnight. They succeed gradually through consistency, through steady effort, through not giving up. Ramadan is not just a spiritual peak, it is a training for the rest of the year. So as we reflect on the ayah, and it is a Qur'an which we have divided so that you might recite it to the people over a prolonged period, remember, the Qur'an transformed a nation gradually, and Allah is patient with your becoming. So what is the one change that you will begin this Ramadan and continue long after it ends?
وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَذَكَّرُونَ